Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in a Dodge Durango GT. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some protective gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always check your owner's manual for the correct bulb type and any specific instructions for your model. Next, open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll likely need to remove a few retaining clips or screws that secure the assembly in place. Once these are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you better access to the bulb housing, making the next steps much easier to perform. Now, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the release tab and pulling it off. Then, depending on your model, twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing and carefully remove it. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Use gloves or hold it by the base. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, aligning it correctly. Reinstall all the retaining clips and screws you removed earlier to secure the assembly. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.